Number 31 is what we call an addition or deletion problem, and in this case they want us to add something. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and read what we're adding to kind of see what the main idea of that is. So it says, after filling out a simple registration form and taking a quick tour of the facility, I took a seat at a table and got right to work on my laptop. So this sounds like after the narrator arrives at one of these coworker spaces, and if you've read the rest, that's kind of what this is about, these co-working spaces. So a narrator arrives at co-working spaces, sorry. So let's go ahead and read our options and see where that logically fits chronologically in the story. So sentence 1 says, thus, even though I already had all the equipment I need in my home office, I decided to try using a co-working space in my city. This is what the sentence that we're adding is when he arrived, so it wouldn't make sense that he arrived before he even considered it. So we're going to get rid of A, and let's look at sentence 2. So it says, because I was specifically interested in co-working reported benefits related to creativity, I chose a facility that offered a bright open work area where I wouldn't be isolated. Again, it doesn't sound like he's at a physical location yet. He's still considering it. So we're going to get rid of option B. Let's look at letter C. It says, throughout the morning, more people appeared. Okay, so there seems to be a gap here. So he was considering it, and then suddenly people appeared. So it makes sense to go ahead and put the sentence right here to kind of bridge that gap. So he's considering, and then he arrives, and then other people show up. So that's the one that makes the most sense. So we're going to be going with letter choice C.